Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications or watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now, I also recommend to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network because it will make things a lot easier. And to do that, you can open the GARMIN Connect application, tap on More, tap on More right here to open the menu, scroll down and tap on GARMIN devices, then tap on your Vivoactive 6, it should be on the list if it's paired with your phone, and then find the connectivity option and tap on it, and here tap on Wi-Fi, make sure that the status is on, and then tap on My Networks and Add Network. And if you have any networks nearby, select the one you like, tap on it, enter the password, and then tap on Connect. And once you connect to the network, it will appear right here on the list of My Networks. So if you open My Networks, it will be right here, which means that the watch is connected, or rather has some networks saved, and it should be connected to the one with the best range. Okay, and once you connect the watch to the network, to the Wi-Fi network, it has the internet access, we can continue. And now on the phone that is paired with our watch, we need to, we don't need to, you can do it probably on the watch itself. You can use the GARMIN Connect application if not GARMIN Connect, Connect IQ store application on the watch directly, I believe. But I recommend to do it on the phone because it's a lot easier, more convenient and faster. So on the phone that is paired with your watch, download the Connect IQ store application. So open the App Store. If you're using the iPhone, simply open the App Store on your iPhone. I'm gonna open the Play Store on my Android phone. Then tap on Search and type in Connect IQ and tap on Search. And on the list of applications, you should see this app, Connect IQ Store by GARMIN. Install this application. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you will see the open button next to it. You can tap on it to open the Connect IQ Store application. Something is not working. Let me actually check it. Let me try. Okay, now it opened. In the app, you will see this page. Tap on Welcome. I think the internet connection is quite bad actually. Doesn't want to connect, so give me a second. Let me check the internet connection. Okay, now it should be better. So let's open the app, tap on welcome. If you see this page, tap on continue, check the box and tap on next. If you see this pop-up, allow the permission. Again, you can allow or deny the permission for notifications. And after that, you should see the homepage of the Connect IQ store. If it loads. Okay, here we have it. And here you can browse different categories for the apps and watch faces. Look for something you like. And once you find the app you want to install, simply tap on it. For example, I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna tap on search. Select the apps category. It will narrow my search to apps only. And here I'm gonna look for something. Let's say I want to install the Pomodoro. And once you select the app, you will see the page for it, and here we have description, screenshots, reviews. You can also tap on compatible devices right here to check if your watch is compatible with the app, and we're looking for the Vivoactive. So let's scroll through the list. It's going to be somewhere at the bottom, I believe. Quite a list, yeah, as you can see. And we're looking for the Vivoactive 6. It is on the list, so the app should be working. So we can go back, and if you decide to install the application, tap on install, and the app will be queued for the installation. Sometimes it might take quite a time for it to install, because there might be some kind of update in the queue and stuff like that. So you need to wait for this pop-up or this pop-up on your watch, but it might take some time. If you're not getting it immediately, I recommend to just wait. Maybe there's something in the queue, and after it's done, it will install your app. And after it's done, the app is done installing actually, you will see the pop-up on the watch and also on the phone. You can tap on got it. And now if you go to your watch and press the upper button to open the menu, you should be able to see the icon of the app right here on the list. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the Connect IQ Store application. And that's how you install the app or apps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.